morning everybody, how are you? Welcome to my little part of YouTube. My name is Linda of Linda Simpson Designs. You can find me on Ravelry, Facebook and Instagram. And it's so lovely to see you all here today. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you enjoy the little video. It's a video that I should have done a few weeks ago, but unfortunately I'd forgotten with what things going on, and it's a yarn haul from Black Sheep Wools. I met my friend who I've talked about in podcast 22, the lovely Joanne. I met Joanne at Black Sheep Wools and made a little purchase, and then on the Sunday, that was on the Tuesday, on the Sunday I decided to go along to the Knit and Natter, and I met some lovely ladies and really enjoyed myself. So I didn't go back. I've not been back yet because we've been really busy at home with having the sunroof conservatory roof changed, and then all the work that entails, all the dust and everything. So, and then of course it's Father's Day this weekend, so I definitely won't be going. So with that being said, I've got a couple of purchases from Black Sheep Wools. Now if you come up to the northwest to Warrington, please do pop into Black Sheep Wools. They have an amazing selection of yarns. The staff are amazing, and they've got a little cafe where you can sit and have a natter and have a cup of coffee and a piece of cake. I know they do workshops there as well, and I really it's in my local yarn shop. So yeah, I'm going to put a toot out for them. So if you are up in the northwest, or if you come down from Scotland up from the north, up from the south, then please do try and pop into Black Sheep Wools. My favourite, well, yeah, I love going there. So the when I met Joanne, the first I bought other little things, but the first, this yarn I wanted to share with you. It was in the bargain section, and it was reduced to £24.99, and it's called Rico Designs Essentials Cotton Glitz, and it's a grey, but it's got, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, it's got iridescent stellina in it. So you've got all different colours. You've got blue, it's very subtle. You've got pinks and blues and yellows, and it's 50%. No, it's not. It's 50 grams, 130 metres, which is about nearly 140 yards, I would say. 78% cotton, 19% viscose, and 3% polyester. Let's see. What else is there? Let's see what else. Oh, hold on. Does it tell me? Oh, a 3 to 4 millimeter needle or crochet hook. I'm just trying to see if I can find where it's German, I believe. Yeah, so it feels nice and soft. I hope you can see. So yeah, so I bought a bag of that, which should have been £50, and it was reduced half price. So that is definitely going to be a wearable of some sort. Maybe a nice shawl. Maybe Ursula's new shawl that she's about to bring out. So maybe that will go nice with that. We will see. So then when I went for Knit and Natter, of course, I got there too early, as per norm, and I bought some patterns. So I bought a couple of patterns. I love my bamboo and cotton mix, and I bought this sweater. I know we're in the middle, I know we're at the start of summer, but I bought this pattern. I really like the design up the side. I hope you can see it. And yeah, I really, really like that. So it's 9750 by Stylecraft. Is it Stylecraft? Yes, Stylecraft. And you know, I use a lot of Stylecraft. And then I was thinking this nice vest. Look at this. This I am definitely going to do for the winter to wear with my shirts. So that was another one. So of course I got the patterns. What do? You buy the yarn. So for the, which one did I decide? Oh yeah, I decided for this one I am going to use a shade Dusk. It is Stylecraft's Naturals Bamboo and Cotton, and 60% bamboo, 40% cotton, a 3.5mm crochet hook, a 4mm knitting needle, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, so how many? Oh, 100 grams. This is 100 grams. Oh, here we are. 250 meters, 273 yards. It's a DK, and it's the vegan family, so it's a 3-weight. Oh, I didn't tell you what this one was. I didn't tell you what this one was. Does it say? I would say that it was a, let me see. That's a 3-weight. I'm thinking that's more of a 2-weight. What do you think? Yeah, I think that is. I think that's a 2, but that's definitely a 3. Yeah. So I got, for this, I've got the Dusk, and I got 4 skeins of that, and then I just fancied a nice brown, and this colour is Umber. So for this sweater I'm using this, the Umber. Same specs and that, but I really, really like that. I think I'm going to do the V-neck, but I'm not decided. I quite like the round neck as well. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Should I do, yeah, you help me decide, okay? Do I do the V-neck or do I do the round neck? What do you think? Do you think I should? There we are. That's a better picture without me folding it. So what's the judgment, guys? What's your vote? V or round neck? I'll be interested to see what you think. So yes, so that is going to be with that. I just wanted a different colour, you know, apart from the blues and the pinks and the lemon, you know, all the other different colours. And then, last but not least, remember the Whitmore sweater I made that was grey? And I used monochrome in cotton. Excuse the crinkle. I bought it in blue, the same cotton. It's 100% mercerized cotton. It's a DK weight, 275 yards, 250 meters, 100 grams, needle size US 5 to 6, UK 3.75 to 4 millimeter, and that is hook and needle size. And machine wash, lay flat to dry, and it, obviously it doesn't tell you a cost. It's made in Turkey, for Earth yarns, URTH yarns, and it's monochrome cotton, hand dyed tonal cotton yarn. So I managed to get the bag, so that means they're all of the same dye lot, which is going to be amazing. I'm so excited. So I just need to decide what to do. I wonder if the ranunculus will look nice in that. What do you think, guys? I have bought the pattern. I'm just thinking whether that would look nice in the ranunculus. I need to speak to my friend Alex and see what she thinks, because I know Alex has made the ranunculus. I'll need to speak to Alex at some point and see. But it's really nice. I've worked with this before and it is fabulous. So that oh, did I buy something else? Hold on, I'm sure I bought something else. Might be in my little bag here. Oh yes, I did. Oops, I bought some new neon stitch markers for my knitting, and then I got a black sheep wools. Sarah made me do it, and if you don't know, Sarah is the owner of black sheep wools. I'll take it out of the cellophane so you can see. So there we go. So that were my little purchases from Black Sheep Wools. Please do think about supporting them. I do love visiting Black Sheep Wools, and they do have some really good bargains. Yeah, so I think you can safely say that Sarah made me do it. So that's all from me for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know whether I should do the V-neck or the round neck. And yeah, thanks ever so much. And thank you to all my new subscribers and all my existing subscribers for all the thumbs up, for the comments, for just being here and being an amazing community. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video,